There have not been any major legal cases in India which have gone successfully, which has gone to settle claims. There might be just 2-3 which have reached to some conclusion, and they were mostly from companies manufacturing asbestos fibers and not from sites where asbestos was used or installed. In India, the claims have not been there. In the US, the claims have been so huge that companies have got bankrupt and they had to close down with asbestos. In US and in Europe, there have been major litigations where to the extent the companies have been driven to go bankrupt, but that has not stopped the government bodies from implementing such penalties as a stake just to prevent others from doing the same. They have taken it up so seriously. In India, that's not the case. It has to be the case. We have to fix this problem. Not only stop manufacturing, and strict guidelines to be adhered on how to handle it, manage it, and abate it. And this has to be done at a war footing. Year on year, it is our youth which is going to get affected if we do not take cognizance of what has happened, what people have experienced, and have not learned from their experience of what has happened in the West. Disregard the cost of money, regard the cost of life. And that's what we need to do strongly. And it is only we, the public, we, the people, can start talking about it. NGOs can talk about it. Various communities can talk about it. Municipalities need to talk about it. Every time we're going for a demolition of a structure, old buildings still there. And new manufacturing. It's a shame that we're still manufacturing asbestos-based products. Should be strongly, maybe we people can only influence them by saying that we will not buy such products. Unfortunately, they don't advertise that the material contains asbestos, and that is a major problem. There's no regulatory body stressing to label this as an asbestos-containing material. Okay, you want to manufacture it, give them permission, label it, say it's asbestos-containing material. So let us be aware that this material contains asbestos for I'm buying. I can tell you an experience. I went to a large plant which was manufacturing, which was being built, and the gaskets being installed, asbestos-containing gaskets. I took a picture. I work for the same company on sites where I remove asbestos at a very high cost, and they are installing in a new plant gaskets with asbestos because the labeling does not exist. I took a picture and I sent it to the director of that company. What the hell are you doing? You want to give me more money? One side I'm removing it, second side you're installing it. The problem is there is no labeling requirement. Everywhere you're advertising cement sheets. Do they contain asbestos? Is it advertised anywhere? If that becomes mandatory, there will be some control. And why should it be manufactured anyway? But at least till then, just put a line, asbestos-containing material. That will also make a big impact. This is what I recommend we should do, and do it now. Yesterday it should have been done. And anybody wants to do something, and if I can help, I'm there. I do not know how to go about it. You, the public, tell me how to do it.